equals does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description. Investing in real estate can be rewarding. Start with a professional diagnosis without obligation. Assess the property's condition. Look for any signs of wear and tear. Use tools like a screwdriver for minor repairs. Ensure you have the right screws for fixtures. Next, focus on cleaning the internal areas. A clean space attracts potential buyers or renters. Don't forget to conduct a thorough visual inspection. Check for dampness, cracks, or any structural issues. If you find problems, remember, you can get a quote before repair. This helps you budget effectively. For convenience, consider our pickup and delivery at your home. This service saves you time. No calls, no travel, just a simple process to get your property ready. Finally, always keep your investment in top shape. Regular maintenance can increase its value. Follow these steps to ensure a successful investment journey. Does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description.